Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I have for you a personalized birthday slimline card using Knit and Tangled Wild Ones stamp set. I used the party hat, present, and the giraffe images from the stamp set. I'm going to stamp the giraffe a couple of times so I have extra just in case I need another one. And I'm using 140 pound Strathmore watercolor paper with Versafine Onyx black ink. Now that the stamping is done, I'm going to color them with my Zig markers. After I color my images, I will die cut them with the coordinating die set. I don't usually buy coordinating dies for my stamp sets, but I think this one is on sale at Simon's Stamp last time, so that's why I have them. Now we're going to work on our background. I'm adding Mowed Distress Oxide on this white cardstock for my grass, and I'm going to die cut that with the grass dies from Bluebird. I'm going to tape down my dies on the paper and I will run this through my die cutting machine. For this panel, I'm going to use my favorite things, Mini Cloud Stencil, and blend the color Broken China Distress Oxide ink. Now that everything is prepped and ready, we're going to adhere the pieces on the stenciled panel. I'm arranging the grass on the lower part of the panel, and then I will tape that down and add my glue, and then we can adhere this on top of the stenciled panel. On the lower part, remove the washi tape and add more of the liquid glue, and then adhere that. I'm going to varnish the back of the panel with my bone folder to make sure my grass are adhered well, and then I will remove the excess glue and cut the excess paper that are hanging off the edge. I die cut this happy birthday sentiment using my favorite things birthday die with gold glitter paper. I will adhere them with liquid glue on the upper part of the panel, and then for the number that I use, it's from the Julie's Boutique stickers that I got from Michael's a few years ago. The celebrant is 8 years old, that's why I used the number 8 from the sticker pack. She is my son's classmate. They invited my son to attend her party, and I thought that I could make her a personalized card for her birthday. For her name, I used Ellen Hutson Tall and Skinny Alpha die set. I love this die set because it looks like the very popular tall and skinny letters that I always see from the redone cups or dishes. So I just add the name down on the bottom because I was trying to fit under the birthday, but I don't have space there, so I decided to just add it on the bottom where the grass are. And then we're gonna adhere the party hat on top of the giraffe, and I colored the party hat with pink color, and we're also gonna add 4 of the colored presents next to the giraffe, and then we'll adhere this slimline panel on our slimline card base. going to varnish it to make sure it's adhered well on our card base. And then for the inside of the card, I will adhere the extra grass, and then that's where I'm going to stamp my sentiment. And then I also die cut these balloons here from the Lanfon balloon die set. So I die cut two of the same size, and then one big balloon, and then I just adhere them up there. And then I'm also going to adhere the leftovers of the presents that I colored, and then add the string of the balloons. You will see later that I'm going to color the balloons, because my husband saw this and he's like, oh, why are the balloons doesn't have color? They it's like you can't see them on the inside of the card, and that's why I colored them. And then now I'm adding some this what do you call this, jello roll pen, and I think this one is the clear glitter jello roll pen. So I added on the spots of the giraffe. And here is my personalized slimline birthday card. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.